Hey, so I just got a call from the same company I bought my van from. They actually just called me and said they have something on their lot, so I'm about to go look at it real quick. They wouldn't tell me what it is. All they said is I wouldn't have to do any work to it. I'm probably gonna end up passing, but I'm gonna try to see if they'll let me film it. But that's like 90% of the fun is doing all the work yourself. So I'm guessing they're about to show me some. He said it's a van. That kind of piqued my interest. I mean, because I still want to live the van life. So, I mean, let's go check it out. Not much. Was actually just about to get on the roof at work.
House or what?
I'm curious. Can I look at it? I mean, I wasn't really actually looking for something that looked like a motorhome. I mean, I wanted to make it look like a motorhome inside, but what's this, a 94, 95?
I don't have a number on it.
Probably not even.
I think it's older than that.
Yeah.
But it runs good. This runs perfect.
Yeah.
It looks pretty retro, so I'm guessing it's gonna be like an 84 then. Yeah, definitely 84. Looks pretty cool in here.
Yeah.
I don't know where the key goes.
Right here.
Oh, the ignition. Oh, that's.
Jump it.
It's alright.
It runs perfect.
Wow, that is. Wow, that's nice. You mind if I look back
Go
there?
ahead, go on, climb around.
Wow.
Now, you can't buy it just from, smelling it. You gotta walk around and look.
Wow, this.
I mean, like I said, you're ready to go right now camping. Take the family. See the bed above? You got a bed over here, and that booth turns into a bed.
What is this? A jackknife bed? Probably.
Yeah.
Wow, this is. I never actually been in a. Wow, this
Bathroom in
is
the back.
pretty cool. You think the fridge run off propane or?
Runs off of propane, runs off of battery, and runs off of electric.
Yeah.
You got your back rear air at the top, above your head.
What's up here?
Air, right there.
Oh, the air conditioner right here.
Where you're parked, it'll air condition the whole thing.
You got to be hooked up to shore power for that, right?
Yeah, when you're in, you're gone.
Right.
Yeah. This is.
I do.
Whoa. That's legit a shower.
Take it up north.
This thing needs some work. This is a bathroom for real. Like, this is crazy. This is. Wow, this is.
These seats swivel around.
I didn't expect the bathroom to be this big.
Yeah. Most of them are tiny.
Wow.
Right for you, a guy your height. You don't even have to duck to get through the doors except you got that camera on you. Yeah.
I mean, I imagine if I was in the shower, I would have to duck a little bit, but
Yeah, maybe.
I like this. This is pretty cool. That's
It's.
you say you want 55 for it?
Yep.
Alright.
We'll take a good offer, Money talks.
I mean, I'll definitely I don't know.
Got speakers for your stereo.
Oh, those are speakers?
Yep.
I wasn't expecting it to look like this in the inside. It definitely surprised me how it looks in here. That's pretty really cool.
Oh, so there's a horn here over there?
Yeah, the battery's dead.
Yeah.
Kid.
Oh, right.
I'm guessing
These
this,
seats swivel.
yeah, that's what I kind of figured when I just moved it. Yeah.
They do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
They do. What do you think is more?
He drives across state every year, so I know it's road ready. And that's what you put. I rented them one, so to go to Pennsylvania. In.
Yeah,
Right.
So.
that's cool. That's cool.
Yeah. Name's Tommy as well.
Right.
Okay. I mean, I definitely gotta.
It's got 79,000 miles on it. You know.
Oh yeah.
You think those miles are legit on here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'll definitely have to. First, when you.
He told me about this yesterday. I told Eddie, he said, let's bring it here. I said, Brandon wants one. And,
Yeah.
but this probably be better for him than trying to buy one. I've been looking at some of these vans.
You could find one with that. When did it come in
It's
here?
got a power steering wheel, we know.
All right.
But it's solid. It's good.
Yeah. I mean, to be honest, I think I'm gonna have to pass because I really don't want a actual motor about me when you've seen this.
You're ready to roll.
It looks really, really cool inside.
See the seats? They're not torn or nothing.
Yeah, no, they're not. Shockingly. What do you think? What is this? 80 something? 70? Oh, it's that. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's okay.
It didn't have all that emission stuff.
I mean, I really like how it looks. I'm just not really interested in the motor home style.
Well, that's you wouldn't have to do nothing.
Yeah, no.
Get in and go.
Yeah, you're right.
Got a refrigerator, shower.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Yeah.
Because usually the floors rot in the winter.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, it's what is? Oh, National Country Park. Lake. Okay.
I'll see you go late.
Yeah, it's really cool. I really dig the inside.
Oh.
I mean, it's hard to find.
Yeah.
We have a regular van.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you cut the top
Cut the top off
and put a
raised
high
roof
top.
in.
Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, I'm kind of.
Here, you put this thing for the when you're sitting outside and you have an awning. You know?
Yeah. It's a Ford.
Snapper.
Okay, it's a Snapper.
Yeah, that's
It actually has a generator on board.
Snapper like turtle cap on the roof.
Yeah, I'd be scared too. I done gained a lot of weight. Alrighty. Alright, so I guess this is partly my fault. I mean, what could I say? I don't know what to say. I mean, of course, I was not able to buy that. He made me kind of believe over the phone that it was something that it wasn't. I was thinking it was an actual small van, like a 350 converted into a camper, and I get here and it's basically a Tioga, a freaking huge RV, and that's not something I'm looking for at all. And I actually like how it looked inside. They were overreaching in my opinion. It's a 1970-80 set, which is freaking old. I mean, it got it's not even 100,000 miles on it, but still, it's probably carbureted. I don't want something carbureted. That's a whole nother set of issues. Yeah, no, it's got a power steering leak. I don't know if you guys noticed that when I asked them how long how long has it been here or something, and the reason I asked him that is because I could clearly see a leak coming up the driveway going, hold on, this makes no sense, sorry about that. So I could clearly see a leak coming up the driveway going to the RV. So I'm like, things leaking, who knows what. I wasn't about to get down on my hands and knees to figure it out because I'm not interested in the RV at all. And I was just trying to like let them down easy, but I didn't want to be mean about it. I told the guy what I was looking for. I told them I would come look at it. I shouldn't have led him on by saying I will think about it, but I didn't want to stay there all day and keep going back and forth with them, so I just kind of told them I'll think about it. But they know exactly what I was looking for, and the only reason I even went to go look at it is because I believed that what he was telling me on the phone was that it was a literally like a camper van, and I guess, I don't know, we have two different meanings between camper van and RV, because that was a full-blown RV. I'm not mad that I went and looked at it though, because it actually gave me some really good ideas for my next build. I didn't know you could get tubs like that.